Hey there, friends. Thanks for checking in. You are looking at a Desert Eagle 1911 commander size with the 4.3-inch barrel that is customized. Very beautiful. Extremely patriotic. Only 100 of these were made. If you check it out here, you can see it says, "We the People," laser engraved, and then cerakoted. Let me go ahead and shut this light down and see if we can get a better look at that. Incredible work done by Outlaw Ordnance. And only 100 of these were made. So it's very, very special, very patriotic. The kind of 1911 that you can't get anywhere. And over on this side it says, "Our right to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed." And the laser engraving is even included on the barrel. Pretty incredible. Beautiful 1911. Seracote frame in matte black, and then here we have a gray. They also make another one with a brownish tint, but I went for this one because it is beautiful. I'll go ahead and put this light back on. And then if we look at the grips, here we have each of the signatures from our founding fathers. That may be a little difficult to see. We'll take a look at this side. Get a load of that. Unbelievable work. Aluminum grips. So here we have a custom 1911 that is a one of a kind. But when I talked to the guys at Outlaw Ordnance, they said, you know, as beautiful as this 1911 is, it's a shooter. Do not baby it. This is not meant to be a safe queen. So, it's very well built, laser engraved, and heavy Cerakote finishes on it. They said shoot it. It's not going to come off, or unless you abuse it, it's not going to fade away and chip away. It's just not going to happen. They stand by their work. But let's take a look at the gun itself. It comes with two 8-round magazines, and here we have an unloaded firearm, and that trigger pull with the Desert Eagle 1911s, I just think it's phenomenal. I measure it right around 3.5 pounds. So let's go ahead and do that now. It's a process sometimes you have to do a couple times, but you engage that grip safety and pull that trigger right there, and there it is, 3.5 pounds. Exactly. Sometimes a little bit more, sometimes a little bit less, but by and large 3.5 pounds. And it just has a great feel to it. It does have a front dot sight, blacked out rear sights. And when I shoot 1911s, I absolutely love it. I just dig that single action trigger pull, the extremely short reset, and the overall smoothness and accuracy of a 1911 really is amazing. This also has a bushingless bull barrel, okay, already mentioned, 4.3 inches, and a full-length stainless steel guide rod. So what we have here is the mid-size with the 4.3-inch barrel, and then I've showed off before my full-size Desert Eagle 1911. This one has the case-hardened frame. Beautiful look to it. Just a blend, one of a kind as well. And then here's the undercover with the 3-inch barrel, aluminum frame, and many of the same features. That is just an incredible shooter. So there are my Desert Eagle 1911s. Here is my newest, and I will not be treating this as a safe queen. I'm going to take it to the range and show you guys how well it shoots. If it's anything like these, I have high expectations. I already do have high expectations in a one-of-a-kind 1911, and I am so proud to have it. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.